Alrighty guys, I'm back with another video of the new R10 Alien Aurora. So I'm going to go ahead, I opened it up. What you have to do is you got to take off the screw here. Then this pulls out like that. Then these things go up to unlock. Where's the other one? This one. Oh yeah, and then this one right here. So that's what it looks like. So I wanted to see, before I put all this together, see what I have going on here. And there is the graphics card. Okay, let's see if we can get in there. It does not say the 2080 Super on there, but it's just their custom, must be their own branding or something. I'm not sure. Well, that's a big, huge graphics card. So, and plus it looks like you put in SLI or whatever the new term is now these days. But here's the back of it. Man, that's large. It has a blower, one blower fan on it. I don't know if I'm happy with that or not. Does it, what's that say on there? Anything? No. Yeah, it's just the one fan. That's it. And there's the case fan up there. I did not go with water cooling. I heard too many horror stories about water cooling, so I'm not going to do it. There's the AMD. What do you call that? Fan and cooler. There's the HyperX, whatever the heck that is, the memory. I think I got 16 gigs of memory right there. Yeah, I just want to open this up to see what I got here. I might have to get the flashlight out here. But yeah, there's... Let me get the flashlight. Whoa, where is it? There it is. Alright. That's what I got going on here. There's just one more slot for the big, looks like PCIe right there. Well, can't even see. Here we go. It's written right on the board right there. The PCIe ×4 socket, which is that small black one. And then the big one. Man, it's hard to see without the flashlight. Okay. It's the PCI times, where is it? ×8. Is that one there, the big one. Okay. And again, this is just for my own record here, so I can see what the heck I got installed. Even though I told them what I wanted. But it's nice to have it all on tape and double make sure when you get it in the mail. Okay, and then there's the looks like the Wi-Fi card right there, or the Bluetooth. I'm not sure which one it is. Let's see if we go right up against that real quick. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. Alrighty, so. Man, there's just not enough light in this room. Alright, so let's take a look here. What is that? Okay, that is Definitely Wi-Fi. I see the cables. Alright, so that's good. Never had a tower with Wi-Fi in it before. I'm not going to use the Wi-Fi. I'm going to use the Ethernet port. You can see the Aurora alien head right there. Okay, where they put it? It's going to be hard to see unless it's underneath the graphics card. My M.2. Where is it? Well, I don't see it anywhere yet. Oh, wait a minute, there it is. Right back there. It's a weird spot. Well, you can see it a little bit. Right there. You got a little white sticker and a little square black thing right there on the circuit. Okay, so that's where they put it. Well, that's going to be hard to replace. You definitely got to take out the graphics card for that one. Huh. Like I said, I'm just looking around, seeing what I got. Okay, and we also have a fan right there in front of the case. We got 1, 2 fans there, and we have the CPU cooler fan. Alright, put up the flashlight now. I'm going to show you this power supply. It's supposed to be, what is it? I'm looking here. 850 watt power supply feeding this, so, and you can tell it's a regular power supply. It's not, what do you call that, proprietary, so you can fit, looks like you can fit a normal power supply in there. Just take out the 2 screws there like normal, and probably these right there. But yeah, I'm just checking to make sure the graphics card is plugged in. Like I said, there's the blower fan. Man, I heard bad luck on this stuff. I don't know. Hopefully it's going to do me okay. I'm not going to push it like everybody else does. I might play a few games here and there, install them and see what they look like. But yeah, that's what she is. And then, of course, the bottom. Right there it is. Nice rubber feet. Right there, and there, and there, and there. I don't know what that is right there. Some wording. So yeah, that's pretty neat. Get everything in focus. Yeah, right there is the M.2. I don't know what brand name. It did not say. I'll have to take a look. Hopefully it's not the cheapest one. But yeah, that's just a quick look of what's inside the Alienware Aurora R10. And it came with a pretty pricey price tag, a pretty hefty tag. It's all because of that. That graphics card right there is probably almost half of the machine cost. But I couldn't live without that. I couldn't get the 2080 Ti because it was just so much more money. And this is like second. This is just below the 20 Ti card. So it was just one step down. Everywhere I looked on the internet, they say that. So Hopefully I'm not giving you wrong information, but that's what I've heard. You know, like I said, I haven't had a real graphics card since 2011. I had 2 of them. I built my first gaming rig, and yeah, I put them in SLI. What a nightmare. But yeah, that's about it. So we have one socket there for that. Battery, of course. That's pretty nifty how they do the cabling. And I can expand it. The memory, I can get 2 more of those if I wanted to make it 32, which is good. Just make sure I'm grounded. I'll ground myself before I put my hand in there. Make sure those are set in place and locked in, because of shipping. You just can't trust that. Make sure everything is plugged in and looks good. Everything looks pretty stout. So we're going to go ahead and button this up. And oh yeah, I got a disaster going on here. I have the cover over there, it comes off. Now I'm thinking about setting it right there on that shelf on the end by the speaker. But I think the speaker is going to be in the way. Right now, like I said, I moved this down as far as I can go. And I want the speaker showing. Or maybe I can't. Maybe I can put the speakers just behind the monitor. I don't know yet. Well, it's still 6 p.m. on a Thursday. Got the air conditioning going. I got the old laptop there. I got both of my daughter's laptops there. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back together and see what happens. Thanks for watching.